Hey, it's my friend Tasche here, and I want to thank you for coming to check out my bonus page for PostBlazer. Now, PostBlazer is a brand new course from Fletcher Prescott that's going to teach you how to make money using Facebook pages the right way. Now, you can learn all about PostBlazer on the sales page. In fact, if you click the Buy Now button on this page here, it'll take you right to the sales page. But today I want to talk to you about the bonuses I'll be giving you when you take action, you grab your copy of PostBlazer through my link. So, PostBlazer teaches how to make money with Facebook pages, how to put up pages about specific niches, different topics, whether that be funny cat videos or martial arts, or maybe you're passionate about a specific type of comic book or a movie franchise, or maybe you like to cook, whatever that is. PostBlazer is going to teach you how to take that and monetize it with Facebook pages. Well, for your bonuses, what I wanted to do is I wanted to give some value to that. So what I'm offering you today, if you look down below, the bonuses down below are going to talk about niche marketing, how to choose the right niches, different niches that actually are more proven winners than others, and a lot of different things that's going to help you along with what you're going to learn with the PostBlazer course. In fact, I've also the bonuses down below also many of them come with private label rights, so you can take them and edit them and sell them as your own product or do whatever you want with them. Some come with resale rights or master resale rights, and a few come with giveaway rights, so you can actually give them away to build your list. So go ahead and check them all out, and I'm actually also going to be adding some unannounced bonuses to the download page as well. So you're going to get what you see here plus some more, once you make your purchase of PostBlazer. So with that, guys, I want to thank you for watching, and be very, very sure you take a look at the countdown timer down below. The timer is going to tell you how long the bonuses are good for, because PostBlazer is launching from the 14th of June till the 17th, and once that timer hits 0, the launch is going to be over with, and the bonus will be gone. So make sure you grab your copy before the timer hits 0, so you can secure your bonuses and so you can get PostBlazer at the best possible price. All right? So that, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you very soon. Have a great day.